but what really impressed me in this strategy is the gain on account, which is about 27%. Hello everyone and welcome to Crilex Trading. Thank you for being here and hope you're having an amazing trading week. As you may have seen on our channel, in the last period I've been testing some new strategies, and today I would like to share with you a strategy with really nice results, about plus 27% gain on account in 1 month. So let me explain it to you first and then I will show you the results and my conclusions. So first of all, for this setup we will need a 30 minutes time frame, and as indicators we will need the 200 EMA. I will configure it right now. And as a second indicator we will use the MACD. Okay, this is the setup. And regarding the rules of this strategy, we can only go for shorts when the price is below the 200 EMA, and of course we are going only for longs when the price is above the 200 EMA. Also, in order for us to have a valid entry, we will need the MACD cross. So let me show you some examples on the chart. Here we are below the 200 EMA, so we are interested in shorts, and the valid short entry is formed when the MACD is above the zero line of this histogram and it crosses down. So this is the case right now. Okay, so here we have the cross down above the zero line of the MACD, the price is below the 200 EMA, so we will place our short position on the closing of this candle, which corresponds with the cross down of the MACD. As an important remark here, you should definitely wait for the candle to close, because otherwise you expose yourself to a lot of fake outs of the MACD indicator. Now, regarding the stop loss, it should be placed a few points above the nearest swing high, so somewhere here it should be okay. And as a target for this strategy, we will take a look on the important support zones that may end on this downtrend. And as we can see here, these zones was already tested here in recently period, but also this was an important zone in the past. Now, for this downtrend, we will target the next important zone, which is this one. So I will set my take profit accordingly, and it will be somewhere here in this zone. And let's see what will happen. Okay, so the price is going to our direction. And as we can see here, our take profit was hit right here, and we are plus 2.95% for this position. As a remark for the take profit strategy, I saw some traders that are using some fixed risk reward ratio like 2% per trade or things like that, but I prefer to take this decision based on support and resistance zones. Therefore, if you decide to use this strategy, you can choose your style of targeting a position. Now, I would like to show you also an example for the buys entries, but let me first put here the indicators. So, as I told you, we are using the MACD indicator, and also I will add here the EMA with a length of 200. Okay, and let's see what do we have here. So here the price is above the 200 EMA, the candle closed above the 200 EMA, and this candle corresponds with the MACD cross. So right here we will put a long position, and the stop loss will be below this swing low. And for the take profit, we will look what happened in the past and what would be next level that may be the end of our uptrend. So I think here may be a good target point. So our take profit will be right here, and let's see what will happen next. Okay, and our take profit was hit. We are plus 3.6% on this position. So that's it with the examples. Now I would like to show you the results and my conclusions for this strategy. So I've backtested the Aussie US dollar the month of November 2021. In order to be clear regarding my results, I want you to know that the risk management I use is my standard 1% risk per trade. I've opened 12 trades, and in order for you to see all of them, I have switched the time frame to 4 hours. As you can see here, most of my trades were sales because that was the major trend of the November month for in general the Aussie pairs. I've got 8 wins and 4 losses, meaning that win rate is 66%, but what really impressed me in this strategy is the gain on account, which is about 27%. These are some really nice results for only 1 month, and overall this strategy is an easy one because you don't have to be all day long with the charts open. You can just simply add alerts in TradingView for the moments when MACD crosses in your direction, and that's how you will know that it's time for your entry. That's it for today. Hope that the strategy will be useful and profitable for you too. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you are interested in the FTMO challenge, check our channel because Alex posted some really great videos about his FTMO journey. Thanks for watching and see you in our next videos. Until then, trade safe and trust the process.